Today, we will show you how Tech Precision produces high-end bicycle hubs. Every detail we make is the key to achieving the performance of the hub. We use CNC lathes and high-precision 5-axis equipment for integrated processing. We strictly control each step to ensure the accuracy of part data and long-term stability. We use aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and titanium alloy to create free hub shell, free hub, ratchet and other parts. This ensures the strength of the hub components during use and also reduces their weight. We truly achieve both lightness and strength. This is the bearing seat of the hub. After high-precision processing, it can ensure the smooth rotation of the bearing, which is very important for stability and efficiency during riding. What you have in your hand now is the free hub and ratchet, which is exactly how we control every detail. We ensure that the data of each component is correct so that it can be assembled accurately after processing, ensuring the smoothness of the hub assembly and greatly improving the smoothness and efficiency of riding. We have many years of experience of surface treatment, and we can propose a variety of oxidation color schemes for the hub surface, and printing brand logo and other patterns on your products through laser engraving, which makes the product more personalized. Battery shipment. We will use testing instruments to conduct a second inspection of the product and issue a test report to make sure all your parts meet the requirement of the design. We make every hub with great care to ensure that they are durable and easy to use. If you want to improve your product experience, we are your trusted partner.